Alright, this is actually a concerning morning, or sad morning. So today on this episode of What Plant Is That, Paul, we're going to talk about our driveway here. So we've had these pavers here for 7 or 8 years, and the sand, it's really steep. So we had the sand, sand was coming out because it was not polynumeric like I told the people I wanted. They talked me out of it, but anyways, we got polynumeric, what I wanted sand now, which is basically sand you get wet. It's very, very hard, like concrete. And so then we had them seal it with a nice natural sealant, and I think they did a great job. I mean, it looks 100 times better, in my opinion. But the problem is that whatever they sprayed right here on this hill has greatly affected my favorite tree, our Indian Laurel Fig. So this massive beast I fit in my Subaru not too long ago, about 10 years ago I guess, and now it's huge. But it's having a massive defoliation event. This tree does not lose its leaves, people. Last year it was 116 degrees on a really hot day. It was a very strange day, and it did not lose its leaves like this. I mean, I saw them mulch year round. So something's going on here, and the only way I could explain all of this is that whatever they sprayed on the driveway, sealant must have been aerial and gone up into the leaves of this tree. So I'm really worried about my other plants now, because this thing has reacted so quickly. And I literally just heard leaves falling this morning. I was wondering what that was. You can see how thick it is. It's crazy. Ooh, look at that leaf. That kind of really shows. They must have really sprayed it up in the air. Man, something. So this is just such a big event. I've never seen this before. It's freaking me out. And you cannot blame Mr. Dragonfruit here. He only grew a little bit of epiphytic roots. He's trying to just give this tree a hug. So I'm really hope that this tree survives at this point. I'm pretty sure it will, but I've never seen something just so massive. Such an amount of leaf loss in such a short time. So, man, it's still got a lot more leaves. But we are very, very concerned here. So let's just see what happens if I give it a shake. This tree's huge, by the way. So definitely lots of leaf loss. So very sad. Want to let you know what happens. Give us a like, subscribe. All right.